Hello everyone, it is Jan here from Jancy Art. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. You might be wondering where I've been. I have had lots of things to deal with in the family, so yeah, I have not been painting or active in any way for a while now. But I just thought that I finally got around to editing this video. This is a collage piece that I made while I was visiting my wonderful friend Cathleen Osmore with my equally wonderful friend Taneva. Britta was also supposed to be there, another wonderful friend, but sadly she got sick, so we hung out at Cathleen's place for 3 days. We were painting and eating and having fun and just enjoying each other's company. It was wonderful. Thank you again, Cathleen, for inviting us, and I can't wait to see you again soon, hopefully. But yeah, right now I'm just showing you all the different pulls, well, not all of them, but most of the ones that I did for the collage. I didn't use all the papers for the collage, but yeah, you'll see when we get around to that. Gelli printing is so much fun. I really enjoy it. And as you can see, you can make all kinds of patterns and use different colors, and it's a lot of fun to work with. I'm also using some of Cathleen's very nice Kozo papers, fabric and papers Kozo. I really recommend that you check out the homepage. I'll try to see if I can find it and put it in my description. I know that Cathleen has a code that you can use if you're buying from them, from Kozo. I think it's called Cost Creations Art, but go check it out on her videos. You can get a discount when you buy the Kozo papers, and the Kozo papers are amazing. But with that said, I think that I'll just play some music for you guys. This is all very, very sped up, even the collage bit, because as you probably know, it takes a long time, and yeah, I don't want to bore you for hours. But so I've edited this down to less than 10 minutes, but I think I had what, 4 or 5 hours at least of raw video. I hope that you enjoy it. Do stick around till the end, and I hope that I'll be back soon. I'll do my best. You guys take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye.